Hello my dear students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. In this session we are going to learn the diversity in India. We have seen what is a diversity and why it is important to us, right? Now today we will see the diversity in India. India is the country of many diversities. We speak different languages. We have various types of food. We celebrate different religions, but if we think about it, most of the things are similar. Only we do them in a different way. See, we have different ways of prayer. The marriage styles are different. The styles of clothes are different. We greet each other in different ways. See, we do same things, but in a different way. Are you getting me? We have linguistic diversity, means diversity in languages. All the languages, Hindi, Punjabi and several Indian languages have emerged from Sanskrit language. The Constitution of India recognized 22 languages. Hindi is the main official language. Then we have religious diversity. Our India is a secular country. Freedom of religions is a fundamental right guaranteed by our constitution that we have learned in 5th standard, right? Now see, Hinduism, Sikhism, Islam, Christianity, Jainism, Buddhism are the different religions of our country. Each religion has its own customs, traditions, festivals and places of worship. Hindus go to temple while Muslims go in mosques. Christians go in church while Sikhs go in gurudwaras. Okay. So this diversity adds spice to our life. Living in the same environmental condition, eating the same food, performing the same function can make us bored, right? See, man's brain is innovative. He is always in search of new ideas and this inquisitive mind keeps the civilization growing. Man learns so many things from different cultures. India has a vast culture in different regions such as North, South, East, West, North India, South India, East India, West India. We have different communities like Hindu, Muslims, Sikh, Christians, Sindhis, Parsis, Buddhists, etc. They have different languages, they have different festivals, different food habits. We all greet our Muslim friends on Eid by saying Eid Mubarak, right? We all greet our Christian friends on 25th December by saying Merry Christmas. We all greet our Hindu friends on Deepavali by saying Happy Deepavali. This intermixing of different culture leads to our social growth and maturity. And finally brings the feeling of unity among the people of different regions, different communities and religions. No person or community is self-reliant or self-sufficient. He has to depend upon others for personal needs. See, a shoemaker cannot fulfill his own needs nor his family's needs all alone, right? So he has to depend upon others for making money. Are you getting me? Let's move forwards. See, Kalpana Chawla, Sunita Williams went to the space and raised India's prestige. Ustad Zakir Hussain is the world famous tabla maestro. APJ Abdul Kalam, K. Sivan, Sundar Pichai, PV Sindhu, Ratan Tata, Virat Kohli, they have raised and raising India's prestige in various fields. So, our India's diversity leads to growth in a different fields, right? People travel or migrate from one place to another due to some reasons, means to settle for the purpose or trades or occupations or professions. Sometimes natural calamities, contagious diseases force the people to leave their native places. They leave the place to earn more, right? See, man has a tremendous quality of adaptability. In the changed region, he adopts himself, his eating habits, clothing habits, styles of clothes, languages, and in turns he spreads his own culture there. This factor has contributed a lot. Language, food, regions, religions, music, all becomes a blend of combination. People have learned tolerance and respect to each other. So my dear students, in the next session, we will see how the geographical diversity can be well explained by comparing two regions of India, Ladakh and Kerala. Both Ladakh and Kerala are geographically different, but they are important for the different reasons, which led to the prevalence of diverse culture in both areas. That all we will see in the next session. Till that, stay home, stay safe. Bye.